Right, market just opened. Gonna be watching, let's see here. Beacon, SONN. Let's put Beacon right here. It's a little bit higher priced. Pivot at 21.43. Could do 3 shares on it possibly. Higher this candle 1570, 16. So we could watch the break of 16 on the next candle. 3 shares might be too much. We might have to go 2 shares for the first trade of the day. So we'll watch here for a break of 16. In there, watch 1630 up to 1650. Is it a false break? Possibly. It's looking like it's a false break. It's gonna reclaim 1570. There's 70. We can get back over 16. It still looks good. 1648. High this candle is 1633. Watch this over 1633. Some sellers at 16. It's dipping down. Watch a dip here. Bought the dip at 1470. It's going lower. Getting out at 14 before the halt down. So we sized in too big for the beginning trade. I just don't have a grip on how to size on these higher price stocks. And they're at 1010 shph for the next leg up. There's 1030. Watch 1040. There's 30, 40. Can we see a breakthrough 40 to 50? It's 43. Hit a high of 70 there. Added there at 40. Looking for this to move up to 50. The 10-second chart looks pretty good. You see green at 45 and 50. There's 57, there's 60. Watch break of 65 or move through 70. Watch 65, then 70. 67, pausing at 67. Sellers coming in at 50. A nice dip here from 1010 to 1040. Green at 27, 22. Green at 20, 23, 25. Is this gonna be a bottoming tail for the move higher? Bounce off VWAP possibly. Out there at 950. Watch me bottom wick this. Big buyer at 43, sellers at 46. Watch 46 break for the break up to 47, 49. High day pre-market is 46. Sellers at 45, 46, breaking through them. There's 47. That's break of pre-market high. Getting out at 43 because it looks like it's about to false break. Actually, no, pre-market high is 298. My bad. That's more like an after hours move. $274 is the next level after 46. Gonna bring up PRPL here. Looks like it's about to make a move through 4. Keep SNTI up on a side level 2. And SNTI 47. False breakout. Let's see here. Is it gonna break down 40? Getting out at 40. PRPL 97 is where it goes from green or red to green on the day, so this is technically a significant area. And they're at 97, watch break of 4. Watch this break of 4 here. Out there at 401. Got filled at 4. And at 36 on Beacon, it looks like it might do a halt up after a bunch of halts down. 3 shares. There's 36, there's 41, 49, 50. Not too far away from the halt level. Sold one share at 49. One share out at 75. No fill. 59. Got filled at 59. Holding one share. Order out at 85. There we go. All out of that trade. Don't think I'll come back for BCAN unless it gets back over VWAP. VWAP's at 15 though, so needs to get quite a ways away. And they're at 4 for the break of 4 on PRPL. Watch 403, 402, 403. Market pivot 403. Out at 405. Now I need to watch this for the hold of 4 and a move through 410. So it has to hold 4 and then it can move through 410. High of day is 418. And at 405, small size. We'll look for an add-on break of 405, 407. We'll see green at 405. There's 407, watch 409, 410. Out at 404. Looks like it's putting up a wall at 405. Watching a possible dip on PRPO. Like 401 area. It might go below 4 though here. So I'm hesitating. And at 398. May hold back above 4. There's 4 by 401. Sellers on both sides. $99 by 4. Out at 96. Watching this for a longer pullback to either the 20 or the VWAP. Just waiting right now. Waiting for this pullback to resolve. Got a high at 98 there. There's the break of 4, 402. In at 93 there. Watch this for a bounce off VU up. There's 96, 97 is what we want to see. There's 97. Next candle, I want to see break over 98. Watch 98, 99. Took off some at 97. So, waiting for that break of 4. If it looks like it's going to break down, we'll get out. Having a little pullback candle on lower volume, that's good. '96 by '97, '99. Put the order out at 99. If we get it filled, that means we're breaking through. There we go, there's 403. Wall at 403. There's a wall at 403. Are we going to break through it? So are we going to break through that wall at 403? That's the question. Damn, I added at 401 and now it's below. This trade's going to end up being a loser. Out of 95. Five-minute candle just looks terrible. Hmm. Wall at 403. Are we gonna see a break? This would be an ABCD pattern resolving to the upside. So are we gonna see that? Out at 95. This just might just stop trading here. Possible dip on a sell-off. Nah. Alrighty. That might be it. I broke rules today anyway. It's probably best that I do shut it down. So we had started off the day with two big losses. One on Beacon, losing over $1 a share on 4 shares. There's really no excuse for that. We sized in too big. We were only up like 20 cents on like 2 shares. But I guess taking that off the table would put us 40 cents in the green to start the day. We can start working on building a cushion. So maybe that's the right play to take it off the table next time. SHPH. Let's see. On this one, we got in small size here. We're adding here for the halt. There's a dip right here. Looking for the move to through 1070. We get up to 1070 once again. We fail. Now it's like a bounce off VWAP, so we're still holding. This could just be a pullback. We still have an average of around 1030 or something like that. So we weren't really in the red too much yet. And then we buy here. I guess this was an unnecessary buy. Last ditch effort off VWAP. And then the flush, we got bottomed out right there at 950. SNTI is the one we broke the rules on. Technically, we broke rules on PCAN and SHPH just by sizing too big for the share size, or for the dollar cost of the stock. SNTI, I averaged down. We're not supposed to be doing that. Ends up being a big winner, but it's like I got rewarded for buying into like, this dip off VWAP kind of worked in a sense. Right there. So dip to VWAP and then bounce. But if it didn't bounce and it just flushed through VWAP, we'd be sitting on a $50 red day. So that's why that's a broken rule. So this one, broken rules. Luckily, we're not paying the price for it, but maybe that's unlucky that we're not paying the price for it. We're ending the day up 130. The rest of the day was just chop. Small and medium-sized losers, small winners. How to visualize commission. I don't have commissions with this brokerage. TradeZero America doesn't have commissions, but TradeZero International does have commissions. So I use TradeZero America since I'm an American citizen, and they don't have commissions. All I pay is the SEC fees, SEC and FINRA. Those are the fees that every trader pays though, no matter where you are. So yeah, that'll be it for today. I'm up 135, nothing big. Friday I didn't live stream, but I was up a dollar, I believe. Friday, was very choppy. I got up to my daily goal, and then also gave some back. So yeah, 54 trades on Friday. We got up to our daily goal. This doesn't showing it properly, but we got up to 10, back down. Actually, no, wait. That was Thursday. On Friday, we didn't ever get really red or green. It was kind of just chop. And then we ended at $1 profit. Your big profits are coming from dip trades. Is there a process to that? I feel like dip trades is more like an intermediate strategy. You have to kind of have been in the market for at least a year before you can start doing dip trades, because you have to kind of have an intuition on where the stock's gonna bottom out at. You once you have enough screen time watching these gappers for over a year and seeing how they move, you'll get a feel for how they pull back. And it's more of a feeling based thing. You watch the level 2, you see the fear in the price action, and you have like a set like, okay, this is like a $2 stock. The most it can pull back in like in like a micro flush, it's probably like 6 to 8 cents. So you'll set your order like 6 to 8 cents below the current price. And if it starts to look like it's getting fearful, you hit the buy button, you get filled on the dip, and then usually you'll get a pop of like half that amount. So if it's a 8 cent dip, you'll get a pop of like 4 cents, 3 cents. If it's bullish, if it's in a bullish trend, if it's going upwards and we are having a pullback off the highs, then that dip trade could very well just push all the way back up to highs. It depends on where the stop's dipping. If it's dipping to VWAP, you're gonna have to be a little bit more careful because it could just flush right through, as you can see right here. But this dip trade did work out right here. Dip through, you buy at 32 up to 40. So sometimes you get the resolution. So here it dips, it closes at 39, but it dips down to 32. So sometimes you get the resolution, sometimes you don't. Dip trades are very price action focused. You have to be staring at the level 2 and seeing the time and sales. You want to see a flush of red on the time and sales as the price is moving down, but you don't want to see it skipping price levels. So if it's usually a 1 cent spread like right here, you don't want to see the bids drop down 5 cents while the ask is still at, like, let's say right here on SNTI, if it was 233 by 232, you would want to see it stair step down and then start to get a little bit more accelerant as it gets to its lower price. But then as it you do not want to see the bid drop from 232 to 225, and then the ask is still at 230. Because then when you're buying, you have a 5 cent spread on the ask and bid when the spread used to be 1 cent, and you don't want that. Because you'll get filled either to the high end of that spread, and then you'll be down 4 cents instantly on a stock you were expecting to risk like 2-3 cents. It's like a mini dip trade lesson right there. I probably would go over it better in like an actual like organized video. But that's like essentially like dip trading is mostly intuition based, whereas breakout trading is very technical. It's like, okay, here's the level that's the high of day, or the break of the 1 minute candle to make a new high. And that's a known level by all traders. That's the level. If it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Dip trading is very, okay, so we have a $3 stock. It's probably going to pull back maybe 3%, have a 9 cent pullback. And then you would get in on that pullback for the move higher. Also with dip trades, key rule of thumb would be to sell the position if it starts to dip lower than your entry. Because you're already buying lows. If it's going lower, that means you didn't time the dip trade properly. So you would be selling your position to get back in lower. Like let's say here, if this just made a push to 239, if it dips down to, let's say I want to buy VWAP 233, this would not be a good trade, I don't think. But let's say it dips to 233, I buy 233. If it bounces to 235 and I don't take profit, and then it comes back down to 233, I'd be selling as it broke 233 to 232, because that would be saying that I didn't time the dip properly. With dip trades, you kind of want to be green right away, because if you're red, you're in too soon. Alright, so there's my mini lesson on dip trades. I'm gonna head out. I don't want to be stuck watching the market right now. I am currently, I broke rules today, which is not good at all. And I need to be getting away from the market, getting away from the keyboard to make sure I don't dig myself a hole. Happy to end the day green, but it's on a bad note. It's not because I followed rules. It's not because today was just a choppy day. I actually broke rules today. So that's something that needs to be addressed when I go over my trades today. Alright. I'll see you guys all tomorrow for another day of trading. Hopefully we can continue this green streak. Unfortunately we kept it today via bad trading, but hopefully we can have some good rule following tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you all tomorrow at 6:30 or 9:30 market time at the open. Alright, peace out.